Look how gorgeous this is. I mean, besides my fingerprints on it, like, look how gorgeous it is. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because we are reviewing the Tarte Pineapple My Eye Collector Set, and I'm so excited because, as you can probably tell, I am a little obsessed with pineapples. So I was so excited when I saw Tarte come out with this shaped palette. I mean, honestly, like, look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. I mean, besides my fingerprints on it, like, look how gorgeous it is. I am so excited to dig on in. So if you want to see my thoughts on this palette coming from a true pineapple lover herself, then keep on watching. So when I bought this palette, it came with this super adorable pineapple headband, and my friend was like, Belle, you have to get it. But it comes with this like ugly headband. I'm like, no, I want the headband. So let's put it on to be all festive for the review. And as you can tell, I already did my foundation. I did concealer. I set my eyelids with some setting powder, and I did my brows. So we are all set for this review. Okay, I'm gonna do a slightly glam, slightly fall look with these purple and golds. I'm like so drawn by this one like plum shade there, so I'm really excited to try this out. So just to start, we're gonna take my favorite brush to apply my transition shade with, and that's the MAC 224. And what we're gonna do is just go on to this shade right here called Beach Red. Beach Red? Okay, yeah, Beach Red. We're just gonna tap in there and apply that to our crease. So luckily, there's this handy dandy mirror that I can just use to make sure that I get all up in that crease and just slightly diffuse it out, make sure it's nice and blended. So now that's all over the lid, we are gonna go in with this like grayish lilac shade right here, and it is called Smoothie, no, not Smoothie Bar, Short Shorts. No, am I reading this wrong? I'm completely reading this wrong, hold on. BYOB. I think it's called BYOB. So to apply this, we're going to take my Morphe M573 brush. I'm just going to tap right in here, tap the excess, and then just work this closer to the crease and just blend that out. I'm going to add a little bit more depth since it is more on that like gray side. It's going to be really good to create that shadow. We're just going to blend, blend, blend. Right off the bat, you know, these shadows are performing just as expected for Tarte's shadows. They are easy to apply, pigmented, and blending out very nicely. So now that we have that there, I'm gonna go in with our darker plum shade here that I'm obsessed with. So I'm gonna put that all over the lid, and to do that, I'm going to take this end of this compact, more dense brush by Tarte. I'm just going to tap in there and press this along the lid. This is really pretty. I like the way it's layering. It's not looking muddy at all. So I'm just going to take that and make sure to press it. Don't bring it too high. Just want to go below the crease and press it on. And now just to deepen out this outer V, I'm going to take my e.l.f. crease brush. It looks like this. It's like just a small little circular brush just to get right into that crease. And we're going to go in this dark shade here. We're just going to apply this to the outer third and just blend that. You don't want it to go too far in. It's just to create a little bit more depth on the outer eye. And then I'm going to take that brush that we applied the plum shade and then just use this to blend out that edge. Before we add our shimmer shade on top, I'm just going to take the original brush that we took, our MAC brush, and then take, again, that more like khaki color and then diffuse that a little bit out more. So now, just to add a little pop, I'm going to take this like gorgeous, like orangey gold shade. I believe it's called Palm. No, I keep doing this backwards. Mango? I think it's Mango. And I'm going to just use my finger. I'm going to take my finger, dig in there. Ooh, so it's really soft and buttery. It's a really pretty like orangey gold shade. And we're just going to apply this to the inner corner really low to the lash line. And just to tie this in a little bit, I'm going to take this pink shimmer shade here and then put it kind of in the middle of the eye. So there's like a gradient of these two shimmer shades. Okay, and now we're just going to take our brush that we applied the plum on, just tap in there and reapply it to bring back some of that purple. Okay, so that's the eye look right now. I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera and then I'll be right back. All right, so we are going to continue the look with some eyeliner, and it did come with the Sex Kitten liquid liner, so I'm just gonna put this on and apply some of the Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Now to do the bottom lash line, we're going to take a small brush like this, take our same transition shade and just buff this along the lower lash line and connect it to the top. And then we're just going to take the black and just run this very, very closely to the lash line. And then we're going to just take that purple shade and run that along the bottom lash line as well. And then just bringing back that transition shade to kind of blend everything out and make sure there's no like harsh line. I'm just going to finish the face, add a lip color, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the look. I used my favorite lip shade, which is Rave, in the Tarte Creamy Lip Paint. It reads a little bit darker on the lips, but I still think it's so pretty. I think the lip color brings together the look. It brings out more of those mauve shades and little eyeshadows, so I'm really happy with how this looks, and I'm super excited to try this again when it's not like pitch black outside and I'm about to like go to bed. So final verdict on the palette, I mean, it's adorable. How could you not reach for this? It's so cute. I think the shades are, you know, pretty common, but for someone that's looking to start their collection or wants a really good palette to travel with, I think this is a great option. You can do some great everyday looks with the top, and then transition to some night looks with a good pop of color with these colors here. The blushes and the highlight contour, it's all in one place with the mirror. I think it's a great piece for traveling. For $59, you get that palette, plus you get the 3 deluxe size items. I mean, you can't really beat that. Christmas, the holidays, these are great times to try out products that you are curious about, since they usually go on sale or they come in little deluxe sizes with other items. So overall, I like the palette. I think they are standard Tarte quality eyeshadows, and there's a really good variety of colors in there. If you have this palette, let me know down in the comments if you like it, if you think it's gimmicky, or if you think it's everything you hoped it would be. Let me know down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like, dislike, whatever you want to do, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.